Hello, good to see you. I'm Sally Jacks. I wanted to do your hairstyle for you that I'm going to be wearing on television today. I've been going on for the last couple of days on television with my hair straight, and that's really easy. You just use straightness to straight it through, although I will go through the process on another vlog of what I do. Now, I don't like to wash my hair too many times through the week. I only like to wash it 2, maybe 3 at the max, because obviously it's no good for your hair to keep putting that through. And at the moment, I don't know why, but I'm a little bit greasier than usual. Therefore, my hair is going a little bit greasy during the day, more than it would normally do. So a couple of things that I always use, but not too much, because you can use too much and sometimes it can irritate my scalp. But dry shampoo, I absolutely love that. And to set my hair, I always use Elnet. I think this is just a special one. Is it? Flexible hold, extra strength. I don't know. I don't know why it's in a white can, because they normally come in gold. Just supermarkets. So I probably just picked it up. So this is what I've always used. I love Elnet. I know it's a little bit pricier, but I just love Elnet. I don't know why. I use other hairsprays, and I always come back to this one. So I have tried them. Like I say, I always like a bargain, don't I? But this is a bit more expensive. And the curl I'm going to use today is a Carmen Samantha Glamour curler. Carmen. I don't know whether you had Carmen rollers when you were at school. The heated rollers, I always used to put those in my hair. I absolutely loved them. Now, I've done my hair so many times for shows and things like that over the years. You know, singing, when I was with the band, when I was on my own. Now I'm on television doing my hair for that. So I'm no expert. I haven't had any training in this, but because I've done so many styles with dancing and etc., then I just get used to doing my own hair. Now, there are 2 different methods that I use for curling in my hair, and this is one of them which I'm going to show you. I haven't got the other method, but hopefully I'll do a vlog about that later, purely and simply because I was brought down to work. I didn't know I was staying down, so my stuff's still in Burnley, and this is, I live away from home, so sometimes I don't have all this stuff with me. So today I'm going to be using this. It's called the Samantha because it's by Samantha, I think it's Fryer, Billy Fryers, the beautiful girls, the sisters that do that television show on Being Mums. Now, she was supposed to come on one of my shows to talk about this, but unfortunately her son Paul had teething problems at the time and she couldn't make it. So I got to speak to her on the phone live on television, but I didn't get to meet her. But I have met her another time when I was handing over some outfit that my friend had made for us. She makes a lot of outfits. She's absolutely amazing. I'll vlog about that because you name it, she has dressed the celebrity. She's amazing. Now, this is really easy to use, but you just got to get a grip of it. You put your hair goes in and it twirls it round. Now, all you do is switch it on at the bottom like so, and then you're going to want to set the temperature. You can also set how long your hair's in there for, and I'll show you that in a moment. You can go from 5 seconds up to, I think it's 15 seconds. And then this button at the top is the one that goes round. Now, whenever I curl my hair, and if you can see, I've done half of the head. Now, I haven't pulled this out yet because I just want a curl at the bottom. I don't want it all the way. I've been wearing my hair straight. I've gone through with the dry shampoo already, and I've done kind of half my head with it, and then I'm going to do the other side. But I always like, can you see how the curl is going that way? So I prefer my curl to go that way. On this side it goes this way. Now this, obviously if you've got a tong you can work that yourself, but when you've got this you've got to make sure you get it the right way around, and this is going to sound so confusing, but you'll get the hang of it when you get it home. So when you go to the right, I always curl it like that as well so I can see what I'm doing in the mirror. So when you want it to go to the right, you've got to put it on right, but go on the left side of the head. When you want to go left with it, you put it on the L for the left, but you go on the right side of the head. This is the way that I use it. So I'm going to show you how it works. So now I've just been doing the right hand side, but the left hand side of my head. Gosh, so confusing. I'm now going to switch it to the left, so it goes that way, but I'm going to use it on the right side of my head. So you're going to hear the bleeps of how long I've got it on for. I think I set it for about 9 seconds. Press the button at the top and you're going to see it go in. And it flicks it around. Then you're going to hear the bleeps. And that's how it works. And then you pull your hair out and you're going to be able to see that curl it's given. Now, I just do this completely at random. I don't choose any particular pieces because more often than not, I'm always in a rush to get on the telly, so I do it really quick. Don't forget to subscribe, and then you can find out everything that I'm doing. A couple of people have actually asked me to do this. Please write in the comments below. I love hearing from you. I love interacting with you as well. I'm looking up here because my main mirror's up there, so please comment in the comment sections below. If you want me to do a particular a video on something, a vlog on something, then let me know. But my channel is all about creating stuff. My background is fashion, so I'm going to do a few fashion segments. You may see a few singing bits there because I used to be a singer. I still do an odd bit of singing, but not much these days. And then of course I'm mum to Frankie Jack, so there's going to be some bits and pieces that I do with kids as well. So it's a whole section of things, but you won't know when my next video's up if you haven't subscribed and hit the bell for the notifications. I love having you on board, feel so privileged, and of course to be able to show people what I do, you know, because I always love looking on YouTube for what other people are doing and what they're up to. So I'm going to be showing you all different kinds of things with my life, but this is just showing you how I curl my hair. So the dirtier your hair, the better. Right? Now that sounds really weird, but the dirtier your hair, the better. The more likely it is to stick. So if you want to do your hair for a night out, if you want to have it straight, then of course you are better washing it and having that slick look. But if you want your hair curled, you are far better leaving it a day. Whenever I used to do shoots, obviously I'm no model, I'm not going to say I'm that, but whenever I used to do shoots when I was singing with a band or on my own, the makeup artist that whoever was doing my makeup would always say, make sure your hair is a day old because it holds so much better. That's the same if you're putting it up in a ponytail, if you're doing a messy bun, it's a lot better when it's dirty. And my hair has been a little bit greasy recently, and I don't know why. But I've always suffered with greasier hair and greasier skin. That's why I had acne in my late 20s. So we're nearly coming to an end now, and then I'm just going to show you, all I'm going to do is pull my fingers through it. So it's going to be quite a loose curl, if you will. I'm just going to go over that bit again. Oh no, that bit hasn't been done. There might be some bits at the back that haven't been done. And that's when I would get my mirror and just have a look, you know, the little mirror, and then you have a look behind you of what your hair's like. So I think that's more or less done. Let me just do a few more bits of this. Sorry if you're finding this boring. I am going to learn how to edit properly. I'm just learning how to do everything for YouTube now. Here we go. One more piece, that's all, and then I'm going to pull it out for you. Here we go. So this would be a night out. Like I say, it holds onto the curl a lot better if you have it dirty. I need my nails doing as well. I'm going for those tomorrow. And my toenails. I finally found a place in Burnley that could do my nails because it's been so difficult. They've been like wedges. They were awful. Found a place in Peterborough that's fantastic, but I've now found a place in Burnley. So all I would do is pull it out like so. You've got that kink. I might go, so that's the left or the right hand side. I might just do this bit one more time. But this is a fantastic contraption. If you will. It's a really easy one and gives you that sort of really lovely wave. And then when you leave it for the next day, it kind of gives you that beachy look. So it's really easy to do. Here we go. There we go. So you've got a bit of a kink on that side now. So I'll take my L net, just pull my fingers through it, just very lightly. Go over with a little bit of hairspray. And I'm ready for the cameras on television. I'm ready to go. And that is how easy it is to be able to do. So you see you've just got a little bit of volume at the bottom. Now, in the olden days, I used to go right up to the top, and then that used to, well, because I've got big boobs, it used to make me look like I was Dolly Parton, which is nothing wrong with Dolly Parton, but it's all right if you're on doing country and western, but not obviously while you're on television doing what I do. So this gives you can see, you can add volume to this if you want to, because you've got dry shampoo in it. You can just go like this, but I prefer it a little bit flatter at the top, and then you've got that curl. You've got that curl going all the way around to the back as well, and it just gives you, and it's really easy as well to be able to put your hair up in a ponytail this way as well, and then put your hair up into a messy bun. So really simple, really quick, really easy. That is the Carmen Samantha Glamour curler, I think, or something. We used to have it. I don't know whether it's still on the website, but I'll put a link below from where you can get it. And that's the Carmen. See you later. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want notifications of when the next vlog's coming out, because I do them every single day, you can press the bell below. See ya. Love ya. Don't forget to leave your comments as well. I love hearing from you. Bye.